There is one moment that changes everything for anyone building an income online with AI. It is not your 100th sale. It is not your 1,000th subscriber. It is your very first sale. The moment you realize this actually works. That moment when doubt turns into belief. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there, step by step, the fastest, realistic path to your first sale online using AI in 2026. Let us get into it. Welcome back to AI Wealth Odyssey, the channel where we turn artificial intelligence into real income, one idea at a time. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because every week we drop new videos on how to use AI to build real income in 2026. Here's your complete step-by-step guide to making your first sale online using AI. No fluff, no filler, just the exact path from zero sales to your first one. Before we get into the steps, I want to explain why the first sale specifically matters more than any other milestone. Your first sale is proof, not theoretical proof, not someone else's proof, your own personal proof that the system works for you specifically. Once you've made one sale, you know it's possible to make two. Once you've made two, you know 10 is possible. The entire journey from zero to a full income becomes a matter of repeating and scaling something you've already proven works. That's why we're focusing this entire video on getting you to that one specific moment as fast and as realistically as possible. Step 1. Choose the path with the shortest realistic distance to your first sale. Not every AI income method gets you to a sale at the same speed. Some methods, like building a YouTube channel, take months before monetization even becomes possible. If your goal right now is your first sale as quickly as possible, you need to choose a method built for speed. The three fastest paths to a first sale are selling a simple digital product on Etsy or Gumroad, offering a freelance AI service on Fiverr, and selling AI-generated artwork or designs on a print-on-demand platform. Each of these has a realistic timeline of 1 to 3 weeks to your first sale if you execute properly. Compare that to building a content platform from scratch, which can take 2 to 3 months before your first dollar arrives. For this video, I'm going to focus specifically on the fastest of the three, selling a digital product, because it requires the least ongoing interaction and can be created in a single sitting. Step 2. Create one simple digital product today, not this week, today. Here's exactly how. Open Claude and ask it to help you brainstorm 5 digital product ideas within a topic you understand reasonably well. This could be personal finance, productivity, fitness, cooking, parenting, or any topic where you have some genuine knowledge or interest. Pick the simplest idea from the 5, something like a printable planner, a checklist, a short guide, or a template pack. Ask Claude to help you structure and write the content for that one product. Use Canva to design it. Choose a clean, simple template, add your content, adjust the colors and fonts to look professional, and export it as a PDF. This entire process, from brainstorming to a finished product, should take you no more than 2 to 3 hours. Do not aim for perfection on your first product. Aim for good enough to sell. You can improve it later based on real feedback from real buyers. Step 3. List your product where buyers are already actively searching. This is the single most important decision in your path to your first sale. Do not build your own website. Do not try to drive your own traffic from scratch. List your product on a marketplace that already has millions of active buyers searching every single day. Etsy is the strongest option for most digital products because of its massive built-in search traffic. Create a free Etsy seller account, set up your shop with a simple name and description, and create your first listing. Use Claude to help you write a compelling product title and description using the exact keywords your target buyer would type into Etsy search. Add relevant tags.
Upload clean product mock-up images created in Canva, showing exactly what the buyer will receive. Now let's talk about pricing honestly. Set your price sensibly, not as low as possible. Etsy charges a 20-cent listing fee, a 6.5% transaction fee, and a payment processing fee of 3% plus 25 cents on every single sale. On a cheap item, those fixed fees eat a disproportionate chunk of your payout. A $5 product can lose over 20% of its value to fees alone. A realistic first product price is somewhere between $8 and $15. This keeps your fees to a reasonable 12 to 15% of the sale, while still being an easy impulse buy for a first-time customer. Publish your listing. This is the moment your product becomes available to millions of active Etsy shoppers.
Step 4. Give your listing the best possible chance of being found and purchased. Marketplace traffic is not automatic in the first few days. Etsy needs time to index and understand your new listing before it starts showing it prominently in search results. Here is how to accelerate that process. Share your listing directly on your personal social media accounts and relevant Facebook groups related to your product's niche. Even a small amount of external traffic in the first week signals to Etsy that your listing deserves visibility, which helps it start ranking in organic search faster. Make sure your thumbnail image is the strongest of all your product images. This is what appears in Etsy search results and determines whether someone clicks on your listing at all. Use Claude to help you write a click-worthy product title that leads with the benefit your buyer receives, not just a description of what the product is. Respond quickly and professionally to any questions from potential buyers during this first week. Early positive interactions help build the trust signals that convert browsers into buyers. Etsy's search ranking in 2026 has become increasingly driven by engagement signals like favorites and reviews, not just keywords, so every one of these small interactions genuinely matters. Step 5. Track your progress and wait with genuine patience. Here is the honest truth about this stage. Your first sale might come in 3 days. It might come in 3 weeks. Both are completely normal outcomes, and neither one means anything about whether your product or your approach is wrong. Check your Etsy dashboard once a day, not obsessively, just once. Look at your views and favorites, not just sales. Views tell you people are finding your listing. Favorites tell you people like what they see enough to save it for later, which is often a strong signal that a sale is close. If after 2 weeks you have views but 0 favorites, that is useful information. It likely means your thumbnail or title needs improvement. If you have favorites but no sales, your price or description may need adjustment. Use this data to make one small improvement at a time rather than abandoning the listing entirely. Step 6. What happens when your first sale actually arrives? You will get a notification from Etsy. Your product will be automatically delivered to the buyer with 0 action required from you. The payment will process into your Etsy payments account automatically, minus the fees we already talked about. Take a moment when this happens, genuinely. This is the proof moment we talked about at the start of this video. This single sale, however small the amount, is confirmation that a complete stranger somewhere in the world found your product, believed it was worth paying for, and purchased it. That is not a small thing. That is the exact same fundamental mechanism that every successful online business is built on, just at its very first and smallest scale. Step 7. What to do in the days immediately following your first sale. Do not stop at one product. Use what you just learned to create your second product faster than your first, because now you understand the process end to end. Study what made your first listing work, the title, the price point, the thumbnail, and apply those same principles to your next product. Consider creating a variation of your first successful product. If a budget planner sold, create a version for students, a version for families, or a version in a different design style. Related products in a proven niche convert faster than starting over in a completely new niche. Set a simple goal, one new product every week for the next month.
By repeating this process consistently, you move from one sale to a small but real catalog of products, each one working for you passively every single day. There you have it, the complete step-by-step path to your first sale online using AI. Step 1, choose the fastest, realistic path. Step 2, create one simple product today. Step 3, list it where buyers already are, priced sensibly. Step 4, give your listing its best chance. Step 5, track your progress and wait with genuine patience. Step 6, recognize the significance of the moment it arrives. Step 7, immediately build on that momentum. This is not theoretical. This is the exact same path thousands of people are using right now to make their first sale online with AI. Now drop a comment below and tell me, have you made your first sale yet, or are you working toward it right now? I read every single comment and I genuinely want to know where you are. If this video gave you value, please smash that like button. It helps more people find this channel and keeps this free content coming every week. And if you're not yet subscribed to AI Wealth Odyssey, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week, we drop new videos on how to use AI to build real income in 2026. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build this together. Peace.